Go back inside. Get in the house right now. In the house.
Fire sale. Everything must go.
We got large groups of bad guys headed our way. We're gonna stay and look for the ambo. You guys need to exfil.
We're short 2 guys.
I got 2 more agents. I'm not leaving them. Hey, Tonto, what's going on, man? We gotta move.
Dumb piece of shit! You blew yourself up trying to frag us, huh? 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 17-7? Yes! Fuck. Whoa, shit!
Listen to me. Listen. Hey, listen up. When you go outside that gate, you go left. You understand?
Yes.
You understand?
Hold on! Hey! Hey! Hurry up!
Let's go! Let's go! Move! The right is bad guys. You're going left. You're taking the back way to the annex. You got it?
I got it.
Listen, I think somebody else should drive.
No, I'm driving.
No! No! No, don't shoot! Second wave is coming! We're flooding in through the back gate! Feel it! Feel it! Feel it!
Someone cover us on the roof! Come on tank! I'm getting these guys out! I'm on the roof! Don't leave me!
State, we are exfilling the compound, minus the ambo. No. He said go left. No. Left! No, he said right.
Left, go back the other way.
You're clear. Get out of the way! Back right.
Left! Go left! Go!
Move.
Who's this fucking guy?
I don't know, maybe he's 17 Fed, maybe he's friendly, maybe he's saying go the other way, go the other way.
No! Left! Go left! Go left! Left!
I can't believe we left without him.
Going the wrong way.
Jack, get up here on roof.
Take on your right.
Down road, back gate.
Take goes left.
Hey, there's no way these guys are in for tonight. They got a little taste of victory. The annex is next. Tonto, boom, consolidate. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Let's go!
Exfil!
Get that door open! Oh.
That was intense. I forgot the grenade launcher.
We got a mover. State armored car leaving compound.
Target vehicle intercept downrange 22 degrees. Stand by for word.
We just went in a circle, Scott.
What is this shit?
Where is this?
What is he saying?
This is a bad idea.
Dude, just go.
Target vehicle was stopped. Tangos converging from all sides.
Who the fuck is this guy? Who's this guy?
Who are you? No, he's doing this. I think he's trying to say he's friendly.
No, we don't know these guys. This is not safe. We don't know that we're not safe here.
2 guys on the balcony. 2 guys on the balcony.
We need to get out of here.
Well, who is that?
It's a trap, Dave. It's an ambush. We gotta move. We do not know them.
Who?
We're not safe.
He might be trying to keep us from an ambush or
Who?
something.
Who are you?
Back up while we can. Back up.
Who are you?
Get out of the way!
Get out of the way!
Go! coming up on our ass fast.
Punch it, punch it!
Light fire pursuit of target vehicle half-click south of Annex.
State, we're under heavy fire and we're on rest flat.
AK, coming up, 8 o'clock. This window's not gonna hold.
Shoot that son of a bitch! Shoot him!
RPG! Coming in!
Hey, easy, Rome. Try to blend. We are. With a dead body in the back, a bunch of heavily armed operators. Just going back to hide in our covert CIA base.
Hey, we got a tail.
2 of them.
Annex, we got a tail. 2 or 3 vehicles in pursuit.
Start the destruction phase. Plan to evacuate.
Hit it, Ron.
How we looking?
You lost him, Ron.
You lost him. You're good. Sure?
Yep.
That's because he knows where we live.
Guard, get in the tower! Chef, you ready to get in the fight?
Anyone comes over these walls tonight, we're kicking some ass.
Keep moving.
Contact rear! Go!
We're coming in hot. Closing in at about 100 meters.
Let's go shut the gate!
Hey! Get back inside! Get back! Now!
Go back inside.
Danny, give me a hand. Let's get him to medical. Get him, go. Take him. Does that need attention?
No, I'm good. It's a flesh wound. Let me do something. Let me help.
I need men. East side, take building D. We need all the help we can get. Let's go.
You guys get the gate! Gate!
Hey, I had extra ammo brought up to the rooftops. Libyan guards are positioned in the towers.
Should have turned left.
Some water, reload!
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो।